Good morning, Wildcats. Mr. Asmussen coming to you from Mojave Middle School, and here are your August 20th morning announcements. Let me share my screen and let's chat. Boys and girls, I want to share with you that school is off and running. We are about 1/4 of the way through the first quarter. And if you want to do some math and see how we're doing in terms of the entire year, the numerator multiplied by the numerator, 1 times 1 is 1, and the denominator, 4 times 4 is 16. So you are 1/16 through this year, and it's starting to move fast, and we're going to start generating more and more momentum with teaching and learning. The reason I bring this up is this is the time that habits of study are beginning to be formed. So I want you to ask yourself some questions. Are you logging in on time and keeping your schedule? Are you taking notes and following along inside of the class, participating in discussion? Or are you distracted by phones, video games, the television, or other happenings around the house? Are you completing asynchronistic work on those days that the teachers, you check in, you get the attendance, and then they send you off to do your work? Are you doing the work when they're giving you the class time to do that? Are you completing assignments and staying current with your studies? Or already do you have a couple of missing assignments? If you're answering yes to all these questions, that you are logging in, you are participating, you are doing the work when you are asked to do it, and you are current, keep it up because you are on the path to success. If your answer to any one of these questions is, but I think, okay, you need to think about some habits that need to change to ensure that you are going to be successful with the rest of this quarter and the rest of this year. If you need help on getting your school studies, first I'd always think about talk to your teachers. They're the ones that can help you the best with that content area. But if it's really a larger thing, it's about how do I set up my workspace? How do I make sure that I stay organized? How do I make sure that I am current? Those bigger questions, don't forget to reach out to your counselors. Ms. Balthauser, Mr. Kemmerer, and Ms. Claiborne would be more than happy to help and support you. The other thing that I would recommend, boys and girls, and I'm going to bring up my screen here, and I'm going to type in susd.org/Mojave. I also recommend that you come down to the announcements and you take a look at the clubs that are available. Sometimes we get support from those that are around us. We make friends that lift us up. And then not only do they help us with the fun part of school about being connected, building community, and being involved in clubs, but they also become the phone a friend, the video conference a friend, the person I can reach out to help me with my homework. So once again, I'm going to scroll this up just a little bit so you can see it. We've got lots of clubs available to you. And if you look all the way down here at the time frame, we do believe that we're going to get these up and running the week of August 31st. We're trying hard, getting things squared away on our end. Boys and girls, those are my announcements for today, and I'm looking forward to having a terrific day. I hope that you are too. Until then, till tomorrow, as always, stay mighty Mojave.